Hello, I'm Jörg, and in this video, we'll take a look at how stability studies in sterile injectables support quality across the whole product lifecycle. No matter the formulation or indication, every drug product must answer the same question: how stable will the drug product be over time? Stability testing is how drug developers demonstrate that the product remains safe, effective, and maintains its quality throughout its entire shelf life. It's highly important for three main reasons. First, patient safety. Drug developers must always confirm that their products maintain their efficacy, purity, and effect throughout their intended shelf life. Second, storage conditions, including global distribution. During shipment, drug products can be exposed to a wide array of environmental conditions. Stability programs must simulate these environments to prove robustness under real distribution conditions. And third, of course, regulatory approval. Health authorities worldwide require comprehensive stability data before granting market approval and require regular confirmation of shelf life throughout further studies for commercial products. One thing to remember is that stability testing is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that spans the complete drug product lifecycle. During early development, stability studies are used to evaluate formulation prototypes in clinical batches. At this stage, drug developers want to optimize formulation by identifying potential limitations of API stability in the drug product formulation. For regulatory submissions, authorities typically require detailed data on product shelf life, storage requirements, and stability control strategies. Drug developers usually generate this data through final phase 3 scale-up batches. After market authorization, drug owners must continually monitor their product stability to verify long-term shelf life and confirm that commercial batches continue to meet specifications. So what exactly does stability testing involve? In most cases, this process looks at how a drug substance or drug product changes over time when exposed to environmental factors like temperature, humidity, or light. Using validated analytical methods, drug developers monitor how these factors affect a range of critical quality attributes, including potency, purity, degradation products, and physical characteristics. Sometimes, especially for sensitive APIs, labs may use methods like liquid chromatography, mass spectrometry, or LCMS for short, to assess degradation risk. The data generated by LCMS supports evaluation of many key features of a drug product, including its expiration date, recommended storage conditions, transport requirements, and more. Typically, studies with 2 or 3 different study modules are required for these assessments. Real-time studies involve storing and monitoring the product under recommended storage conditions. These studies provide the most accurate understanding of long-term behavior and help determine the product's final shelf life. Accelerated studies put the product under additional stress, such as elevated temperatures or humidity. Data drawn from these studies help predict long-term stability more quickly. These studies are particularly useful in early development when time is critical, but they also can help assess the impact of short-term temperature excursions during transport. Intermediate studies are usually performed when accelerated conditions show significant changes in a product's critical quality attributes. All 3 types of studies must be conducted according to international guidelines, including those established by ICH. But they can all provide important information that helps verify that drug product remains safe, effective, and reliable from development to manufacturing to the patient. I hope this video gives you a better understanding of stability studies and also confidence in the scientific discipline behind every expertly developed drug product. That's it for today. If you'd like to know more about the topic, check our website. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next session.